I received several requests to show more about the inside of the Avenger box. So anyway, when the pickup is parked in the house for a few days, normally I put this one. There are 4 stands, no, that you will be using when you want to remove the camper van. So you have one stand here, and there's another stand here. Okay. So normally I put this on when it's parked for a few days, so that I don't give much stress, no, on the lip spring. Okay. By the way, modification done for this one is this one. Okay. This is the airbag man. Okay. This is the modification I did for this pickup. And only this one is the modification you need, and it will solve all your height problem and everything. So as you can see, the lip spring is in the normal position already because there's no load. Okay, so when it's home, this is the position. Here is the other stand, and I marked it driver side. Okay, and I put a marking passenger side, so I know where it is. So for today, we're going to see the inside. Before we go inside, let's look outside. This one is the access to the portalet. So you could move the portalet out. We will move it out later. And opening the door. Oh, by the way, the aircon is there, and I put a camera at the back. This one is the storage for the heater, but I removed the heater since it's no use here in the Philippines. Because of the height between this one and this one and the stairs, I always put something here, so I have one step. This step makes it easier to go up. So we're going up. I'm going to open the light. First thing to do, open the light. This is the light. And these are the switch for the light there. This is for the kitchen and bathroom. There's a light in the bathroom. Since we're here already in the bathroom, there's a bathroom here, and this is a curtain. When you want to take a shower, there's a curtain that closes everything. So I'm going to open the curtain. And so what's here in the bathroom? There's a shower. There is a sink here. I put all my things while traveling here. The soap, the toothpaste, the mouthwash, so it doesn't fall off while traveling. So I put everything here. When I'm already parked, I put it here. This is the portalet. Also, I bought a genset. This is a 2 kilowatt genset, so I have power when I am off-grid. Okay, this is the portalet, by the way. This is the portalet. I haven't used it yet because as much as possible, I avoid using it because I have to clean it. Also here, there's a storage. I put the toilet paper here and some of the towel, no? Some of the towel are here. Okay. So there is a mirror here also, and there is a place for you to hang your towel. So this is the bathroom and the toilet. You have an aircon here. The aircon is 0.5 horsepower. You have an aircon here, and on the side here, okay, there's another sink here. Okay, and for you to cook, you could put you could use this area for cooking, and there is a storage here, a cooler I should say. There's a cooler here for you to put on your things. The fit of the cooler is just exact, so this is the cooler. There's a cooler here. Okay, let's put this back. Okay. Cooler. So above, this is a storage area. I put the item I need, the plate, and the item I need for cooking. Also here, the item I need for cooking. And here, I put some of my chips, egg, and other food, extra food. Also here, there's also storage area. Now, let's come back here. This is the solar controller. These are the on-off switch. The pump, there's a switch for the pump also, and the fan. Okay, there's a temperature gauge. It's hot, 36 degrees centigrade. 60% power for the battery, and this is the gauge for the water. And here's a 12 volts, and this is a USB port. And below, there are also storage area. This is a one storage area, and this is another storage area. When this is parked, I put everything here. I have a portable refrigerator, Starlink, the power generator, tools, water, which I rearrange when this camper van is parked properly. So here, there's a space for you to sit with backrest. There's the table and also another seat here. What I put here is the portable table, chair, and chair. There are two chairs that I bring. Okay. So here, there's a window. Okay, you can open the window, close it, and you have also the option to, if you open the window and then you could use it this way, or you want to block out. If you want to open the window, you could twist this one and could start it this way. Okay, so I'm going to fix it first. So here is where you want to sleep. But for you to sleep, you have to first pull this out. You have to first pull this out and then push this one in front and pull this one. Oh, wait. Okay. There's a... Now, I put my bed sheet in the bag. Okay, everything I put it in the bag. Okay, So I normally bring 3 pillow. So this is now the sleeping space if you want to sleep. Very big space. If you don't need it during the daytime, all you need is to push it back. Okay. Okay. So this table, you could move it back. You could remove the table and put it flat here. And this one, you can remove this. Okay, when this one is out, and here you have another space that you could use as a bed in this area. Okay, you could also use this as another space for another bed. Okay. Okay. As for the fan has 2 motion. Okay. The fan has 2 direction. As for the fan, I should say, it has 2 direction. You could all in, the wind comes in, or all out, the air go out. So air in or air out, you have the option to do it. When not in use, always make sure you close it, because suddenly there's a rain, there could be water leak. So far, this is the inside of the camper, and this is how I use it. Normally I put it down so people cannot see what's inside. How do you connect the air condition? How do you use the air condition? Okay, I'm going out. I can show you where the aircon wire is connected. This is the 220 input. This is the water input. You have this max truck. You have a max truck, and you have a privacy or shower enclosure, outdoor shower enclosure also. And let's come here. Also, there is another waterproof 220 here. 12 volts, 12 volts power socket, 1, 2. And there is a Avenger awning. Okay, this is the awning here. You have an awning also. So I think basically I have shown you the feature of the Avenger box. And by the way, this Avenger box has a solar charger. Okay, and the solar is here. As you can see, there's a solar. Okay, there's a solar here. So, okay. For this box here, I now use it as a storage. For this box here, it comes with a shower also if you want to do shower outside. But I use this box as a storage. I still have to improve how I put things here, but there is a heater here. And then you put the gasol here. I remove the heater. I don't need it here in the Philippines. So I remove the heater. And then I use this to put some more chair, stairs, and then also the extra gasoline. I use this one. You might be wondering why I use this. This is the output for the sink in the. This is the output for the shower. Okay. And this is the output for the kitchen sink. So I bought how do you call this? A washing machine hose, and I put it here. And then I put on the pail. I have other pail also, so that the water goes to the pail. So that's one thing that I think needs some improvement. Okay. So I think that's all for now. This is a feature of the Avenger camper. And by the way, here's still my FJ. I still have my FJ Cruiser. My FJ Cruiser with TRD mugs. And then I'm using a quick pitch hard top, quick pitch awning. Okay, my quick pitch awning. So, and then I have a water port here. This is the setup for my FJ Cruiser. Now, this is just extra for today. So, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.